In this video, we will walk you through programming your EVO inverter charger for lithium batteries. First, make sure your EVO RC or RC Plus remote is securely connected to the back of the EVO. Navigate to the Charge Curve menu option by pressing the Enter button twice. From there, hit the down button once to access absorbed voltage settings. Press Enter. You will be prompted for a password. Enter and continue. Now adjust the setting according to your manufacturer recommended settings. Briefly hold the Enter button to apply the changes. Now press the down button twice until you get to the float voltage setting. Adjusting this setting is similar to what we did in the previous step. From there, hit the down button a few times to reach the low voltage alarm and battery low voltage settings. These two options can be set based on your specific use and preference. Continue going down the menu until you see the charging profile parameter. For lithium batteries, this parameter should be set to the one shown on the screen. The final step in this process is to change the battery type parameter to lithium. Just like all the previous steps, hold down the Enter button to finalize the changes. To download the written instructions for this tutorial, please visit our website shown below. Thank you for choosing Samlex.